My name is Lamar Williams Jr., and I was born in Macon, Georgia. I'm in a band called the New Master Sounds, and also I've been in the North Mississippi All-Stars for the last 2 years. Lamar Williams Sr., my dad, bass player from Gulfport, Mississippi. He and J-Mo grew up on the coast playing a lot of jazz and funk and soul. From 1972, Barry passes, and he gets the call to come over and try out for the Allman Brothers Band. He goes in and he plays. Butch Trucks jumps off the drum set and says, "It's over. That's it. He's the bass player. Let's be done with that." So, food and music, they're so intertwined. Soul food is this town, So it really spooled into every genre, every facet of this town. In 1959, Louise Hudson and Inez formed H&H, and they became everybody's mama. So Mama Louise, with the heart she had, seeing the Allman Brothers Band walk into a shop, and they would sit there and share a plate, And I think this happened a time or two until she came up and said, "Hey, let me feed y'all boys." With the times of the world, and especially being hippies in such a controversial time, I think she saw the heart of men, and she reached out, and they fell in love with it. It was a mutual respect for each other. So after the Allmans realized that the food was so good, they couldn't deal without her. She ended up on the road with the Allman Brothers, fixing meals. Mama Louise is one of those parts of the Allman Brothers Band that if she wasn't there, does their story go the same way? Do they create the same tunes? Do they walk the same path? It's like so many questions there if things don't line up perfectly the way they did. So I think it's all divine. I think soul food is of the people. I think it doesn't have a demographic as far as white, black, Hispanic. It's everything. It's a culture. Everything is soul. Both mamas have passed, but the spirit was taught. This kitchen is special. It's just a special part of the world. Coming to Macon can open a history of music, University of the Allman Brothers, the University of Otis Redding. We're just kind of scratching the surface, learning more about it. So come on to Macon.